Hello and welcome to the Azores Islands guide. After delightful 2 days in Faial Island, we are finally packing our bags and going for breakfast at the luxurious Azoris Faial hotel. We were so excited seeing Pico Island from the window as it was the final destination for today's trip. Faial and Pico are not far from each other, so it was easy to take a ferry across the Atlantic Ocean. In this episode, we are going to discover the Pico Island. You can learn about one of the most interesting wineries in the whole entire world, visiting Miraduros and lighthouses along the way. And we cannot forget about one special village where we're gonna stay and mingle with the locals. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get the adventure started.
And then in the Azores, I was not prepared for the level of beauty that we encountered. There is a level of beauty that I've only experienced 2, maybe 3 times in my life that sort of leaves you physically sick, like ill. It's so beautiful that your body is the weak link. Like you might think that sugar is tasty, but if you were to eat a bag of sugar, you'd probably be sick to your stomach. And I would say this was like so much beauty that it was at an almost pathological level, and more than I think my family could really take in.
Today was a beautiful day and we were very hungry.
The usual with my wife.
At the Azoris Faial Garden Hotel, the breakfast is only $10. We couldn't resist, and the first thing in the morning we went to have a biggest feast. We could choose from large variety of meals. I have a chocolate monster here. For those of you who like wellness, you can enjoy the outdoor or the indoor pool, including gym. For us, it wasn't the case today because we had to hurry to jump in our Uber and go to the harbor. Once we were past the terminal, we were heading towards our ferry. The boat is quite large and offers views from every angle. Faial Pico ferry time can range from 25 minutes to 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments we'll arrive at Madalena, Pico Island. We hope that you had a pleasant trip and wish to have you on board again with us. Have a pleasant day.
If you wish, you can take your car with you. The distance is approximately 10 kilometers. The price affects road, operator, season and a vessel. Welcome to Madalena. It has 6,332 inhabitants, and the area of the city is 147.12 kilometers square. The church on the main square has as a neighbor a restaurant with a beautiful view. We were hungry and wanted to try some new local delicacies. We were lucky to find the special dish we were searching for.
These are limpets. Limpets, apparently that's the only place you can get them in the Azores. Not even mainland Portugal has them. So that's like really unique stuff. Looks like mussels or something, but they're called limpets. We'll see.
Chewy and fishy.
Not fishy, of course they won't be fishy.
With a full stomach and ice cream dessert, we were ready to hit the road and explore this beautiful island. And there it was. The most popular place in the whole Pico Island, just 5 minutes from the city. So, what is this labyrinth of rocks surrounding the whole area? All these rocks are hand placed. We try to move with it. It's impossible. How do they survive all the weather and wind? And it's not concreted or anything to get there, it's just lava rock. It's quite incredible. Although people are becoming incredibly familiar with Portuguese wine regions, very few know about Pico wines. It's a true hidden treasure. Pico vines come from vines that grow from lava soil and flourish on the rock. All the work is done manually and none of this changed over 500 years. This unique ecosystem provides volcanic mineral and salty wine. It is one of the most unique wines in the world.
This is built from that stone as well. And today, well, three next nights, we're staying in a house built from this rock as well. So that's going to be interesting.
You can pretty much find this unique place just 5 minutes outside of the city. Thanks to its well-preserved nature, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2004. What do you think is that for? There is toilet paper. What a delight finding 500 years old bathroom. On the way we enjoyed a stunning view of a Faial island. Let's have a look around here. This is some swimming spot here. The Azores beaches are well known for their volcanic rocky cliffs and natural pools. In case of hunger, you can find here also some beverages. Every island has something completely unique. It's crazy.
Everywhere on this island, eh?
Yeah. And clouds as usual. All the vineyards are very close to the beach and the walls protect them from a strong wind. With often cloudy weather, it keeps the grapes nice and warm. Mike wants to take me to the bush and kill me there. What a stunning beach view. This is a place like no other. Thanks to the rock walls, the roads go sometimes very tight. Oh! I would recommend this place especially for experienced drivers. Crazy. Some village. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Hello, another friend! It seemed like I made a couple of friends here. This one was especially friendly. Hello! Okay, sounds fun. This is a perfect place for families if you'd like to have a lunch and use the facilities. another Miraduro. Let's check it out. Left. Wow, this is pretty. On the way we found another family-friendly spot. A park for families where they can just enjoy themselves and see some wildlife, if you can call it like that. How cute are these deers? We started heading towards our Airbnb. On the way, we stumbled upon Miraduro da Criacao. This Miraduro is standing here since 2011. We enjoyed the scenic rides the most. Every corner there is something new and something magnificent. After arriving in Santo Amaro, the welcome with the beautiful hill reminding us of rice fields was just breathtaking. It's almost hard to believe that this is going to be our home from now on. Invited us for church to do some activities, so we are going to check it out. Today was a celebration and a communal dinner at the village. Everybody meets at the church to celebrate. We had the opportunity to mingle with locals and explore how life at the Azores look like.
Okay, I asked the guy, is there money in ATM? Because they only take cash. He said, no money in ATM. So. But luckily, it's really cheap. It was €2 for a sandwich, and €1 for beer. And I think pork. That's it. That's the sandwich.
Enjoy! We left the locals do their thing and we found a small shop with the lookout where we chilled for the evening. Nice little seats.
There you go, that's the best.
There is a communal dinner happening, but we have no reservation. So instead of joining the locals, we will sit and enjoy the view. Nice, perfect.
So, this is boob. I know it sounds funny, but in Poland, it's like some kind of bean. We make it in Poland as well, but differently. They make it differently.
next episode, we are going to climb the highest mountain of Portugal, the famous Pico Mountain. Climbing on lava rock, we will try to beat this incredible volcanic beast. Prepare yourself to be challenged. It is definitely not the easiest mountain to climb. The mountain is very steep and we're gonna be definitely facing some challenges. Do you believe that we're gonna make it all the way to the top? I almost fell all the way down just now. If you are adventurous spirit, please subscribe to my channel and let us to show you around. You can also give us like and share this video to help others to reach our adventures. We really appreciate you. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!